I get it. You want her to chase you. You're tired of chasing her. So to do that, you're gonna have to leave a little bit of mystery. If you're the type of guy that I can read your entire life story in a single page, even if that is your life story, but that's how you pitch yourself, that's how you sell yourself, obviously nobody's gonna chase you. There's nothing to look forward to. I already know everything about you. And that's how most of you treat women, right? You tell her everything about you, she knows everything about you. There's no more interest. When it comes to girls, you wanna leave a little mystery, right? And whatever you do in life, I don't care what your business, I don't care what you do. It doesn't matter what your job is, I could care less. You should spice it up. Not lie, but, build it up a little bit. Leave a little mystery to the point that she's gonna wanna know more about this guy. What does this guy do? How does he do it? Etc. 2, leave a positive impression. This is key. See, if you want somebody to chase you, you gotta leave her wanting more. This is like leverage 101, right? The reason why you want something, especially a girl, is because you see her, you think she's beautiful, you want more of her, right? That's us because we're men and we're visual, right? We want something like that visually if we find it attractive. For her, it's gonna be a little bit different. So for her, if you give her a good time emotionally, right? Say you guys had a great conversation at the gym, she's laughing it up, it's all good. At that point, when you both feel the great, you're not gonna wanna leave, but you're gonna remember me, leave. Literally be like, oh, I gotta go. This is where you leave mystery too, right? Oh, I got this appointment I gotta meet. Now she's thinking, appointment? Why is he in a rush? We were having a great time. What does this guy do? You see what I'm saying? Like, you're not lying. It could be a dentist appointment, I don't know, right? It could be a haircut appointment. The point is, you leave a little bit of mystery. You leave her at a point where she wants more. You can do this with texting too, right? When you both are going back at it, paragraph on paragraph, you both are laughing. You're like, oh, I gotta go. Same thing, right? I gotta go meet with this guy. I gotta go do this. Leave it at that. She might even ask you, oh, what are you doing? Don't even respond, because now you're busy. Now she's chasing. You could do that also with how you move, right? If you smell great, for example, or you dress great, and you had that great interaction, now she's like, man, this guy smells great. And you leave, she's gonna be thinking about that the rest of the day. She's gonna want that. And now you're gonna really smell great. Boys, we are dropping our new Santa Lucia fragrances, but listen to this. So our dark collections, I think, sold out. We're like 10 bottles left or something like that, which means that once they're gone, they're gone. They're gonna be available for Black Friday. But for the first time ever, we're dropping our Santa Lucia fragrances too. It is our day fragrance and our night fragrance. Ultra sexy, meaning now you have 2 fragrances for the rest of your life. You have one, anything in the day fragrances will do it. Anything in the night, our night fragrance will cover. You got 2 fragrances that you need. They smell ultra delicious, and more importantly, they're going on sale. So not only are they going live on Black Friday, this Saturday, 10 a.m. Eastern, they're gonna be on sale with the Dark Collection. Just because it's Black Friday, which means you get to try our brand new fragrances at a discount, bro. That is absolutely insane. Now the discount won't be crazy because obviously they're brand new. It will be crazy on the old collection, which means this Saturday, all our brands, Essentials, Jade Black, He Grooming, Santa Lucia are going on sale. You ain't gonna wanna miss that. 3, build up your physical appearance. If you look like a dominant guy, right? You always go to the gym, your shoulders are broad, you look athletic. Any room you walk to will command attention. Any room you walk to, people are looking. Man, that guy looks well built. Man, that guy looks healthy. That guy looks attractive. Women will tell you, oh, we only want the skinny guy. We don't care about, they care about your muscles. You look more dominant. You look like a disciplined man. And that is something they chase. Which exactly takes me to number 4. Become out of her league. What happens when you see a beautiful woman, you think this girl's a 7, 8, 9, and you yourself view yourself as an average guy? You want that. You dream about that. You think, man, if I only had that girl, I'd show off to my friends, I'd show off to here, that's what you think, right? What if you can make her feel the same way? That should be your mentality. If you want her to chase you, you need to invoke that feeling. Humans love the feeling of getting a good deal. This is like sales 101 here. So for her to get a good deal, you need to become out of her league. So if you think she's a 7, you got to become a 10. And how do men become 10s? I've showed you multiple videos, right? You go to the gym, you get the grooming right, you get the haircut right, you get the style right, you get the charisma right, you get the money right. You do all those, which is not easy at all, by the way. It's hard. It's going to be a hard career. It's going to be a hard life. When you build that up, now she's chasing. Now she thinks you're a 10, and now she thinks you're a hell of a deal, which takes me to number 5. You gotta show limited interest, right? With women, it's amazing to be direct. They don't expect it. You directly go up to her and you're like, yo, I think you're attractive. I would love to take you out. You immediately showed interest and showed leadership. Now she's thinking, yo, this guy came out hot out the gate. Right? Most men aren't that up front. They beat around the bush or the flirt. You cut right to the chase. I've told you that a million times. Save yourself the time. But now, keep it moving, right? If she says yes to a date, cool. And even if she does say yes to a date, you go on the date, right? You treat her right. But you're not simping, right? You're not texting her the next day, oh my God, I had an amazing day. I wish we can go out again. No, that's it. You keep it moving, right? You can still text her here and there, light and cool. The point is, it's limited interest. She knows you're interested. But the fact that you're not simping is driving her insane. And in her head, she's thinking, why is this guy not giving me all the attention? That's when she chases. And now is when you do number 6. You keep yourself busy. And you do it with the above, right? Working on yourself, becoming out of her league, working on your business, working on your school, working on the gym. You want to work on yourself. Above all else, invest time in yourself. Keep yourself busy. This adds to the mystery thing too. Why is this guy always MIA? Why is this guy never on his phone? Her mind is racing. Who is he texting? Why is he busy? Why isn't he calling me? I thought he was interested. Now she's chasing.